first grade. We are in my kitchen and we are going to do some math, which sounds kind of silly, but you'll see in a moment. So we are going to talk about shapes, and these are some shapes that I know you guys should already know, but we're going to talk about their sides and their corners, and then we're going to do some hunting for shapes. So the first shape that I want to talk about is a square. Squares have 4 vertices. Vertices is a fancy word that means corners. So if we look at this square, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 corners, 4 vertices. That is where the 2 lines meet each other, where they touch. And they also have 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. And what's special about squares is that all of their sides are the same length. So if we measured all of these sides, they would all be the same length as each other. Next is a rectangle. Rectangles are kind of like long, skinny squares. They also have 4 vertices, 4 corners, and 4 sides, except their sides are not all the same length. They have 2 long sides and they have 2 short sides. And their short sides are always the same as each other, and their long sides are always the same length as each other. And remember, a rectangle doesn't always have to be sideways. It could be up and down like this too, and it would still be a rectangle. Okay, let's look at triangles. A triangle has 3 sides, 1, 2, 3, and 3 vertices, or 3 corners. Now triangles, sometimes all their sides are the same length, sometimes all their sides are different lengths, and sometimes 2 of their sides might be the same length and another one might be a different length. But as long as it has 3 sides and 3 vertices, it's still a triangle. And last, our shape for today is a circle. Circles have no vertices and no sides. They just have one line that keeps on going. Now, we are going to look and see if we can find any of these shapes. So, do you see any of these shapes in my kitchen? What do you see? I see on my oven right here a square, like this. Do you see the square that I see? It has 4 corners, 4 vertices, and 4 sides, and all the sides are the same length. I also notice that on top here, I see a rectangle. It also has 4 sides and 4 vertices, but it has 2 short sides here and 2 long sides here. Let's see if we can find some more shapes. What about over here? Do you see any shapes? What shapes do you see? I see that this cutting board is a rectangle. Do you see it right here? I see 4 vertices and 4 sides. It's not really a square. If it was a square, it would be a little smaller, right? It's a little long and skinnier, so it's a rectangle. What about this pan right here? What shape is this? A circle. It has no sides and no corners. It's just a big round shape that keeps going. This is a heavy one too. Do you see any triangles? I was looking and looking, and I was having a hard time finding triangles, and then I found one over here. I have some decorations on my wall. Do you see a triangle? Where do you see a triangle? Yeah, I saw a triangle in this word eat that I have in my kitchen on the letter A. I see the 3 lines right here, and this A kind of has a flat top, but I think that that would still be a triangle. And my clock, what shape is that? Yeah, a great big circle. Okay, first grade, now it's your turn. Go to the Seesaw activities and you are going to do some shape hunting in your own house. Good luck!